Hi class! Our topic for today is about factoring the difference of two squares. But before we proceed to our lesson proper, let us have a short review on how to factor polynomials with common monomial factor. Let us have 4y squared minus 36y to the 6th power. What have we observed in the factor 1 minus 9y to the 4th power? 1 and 9y to the 4th power are perfect squares. Their coefficients are perfect squares and their exponents are even numbers. Since subtraction is occurring between these squares, this expression is the difference of two squares. So how are we going to get the factors of the difference of two squares? What times itself will give us 1? That is 1. What times itself will give us 9y to the 4th power? That is 3y squared. And then we will double our factors with different signs. One is negative and one is positive. That is only the factors of 1 minus 9y to the 4th power. So we have to get the common monomial factor, which is 4y squared. So our final answer is 4y squared quantity 1 plus 3y squared times 1 minus 3y squared. Or you can have negative sign or subtraction on your first quantity. 4y squared times 1 minus 3y squared multiplied by 1 plus 3y squared. Next, let us have a short drill on how to get the factors of difference of two squares. We have x squared minus 4. Again, since our terms are perfect square, meaning they have square root. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 4 is 2. Double the factors. And then 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Our answer is x minus 2 times x plus 2. Next, we have x squared minus 64. Again, they both have square root, or they are perfect squares. Square root of x squared is x, while 64 is 8. Double the factors. 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Final answer, x minus 8 times x plus 8. Next, a squared minus 16. Square root of a squared is a. Square root of 16 is 4. Double the factors. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Max your final answer. A minus 4 times a plus 4. We have m squared minus 121. Square root of m squared is m. Square root of 121 is 11. Double the factors. 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Final answer, m minus 11 times m plus 11. Next, p squared minus 81. Square root of p squared is p. Square root of 81 is 9. Double them. 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Final answer, p minus 9 times p plus 9. Next, we have 4x squared minus 49. So we cannot have a common monomial factor on our polynomials given. So let us now proceed in factoring difference of their squares, or they are perfect squares. Do not forget to check if the polynomial has common monomial factor before factoring the difference of two squares. The polynomial has no common monomial factor, so let us now factor the difference of two squares. Square root of 4x squared is 2x, and square root of 49 is 7. Double the factors, and then 1 is negative and 1 is positive. Final answer, 2x minus 7 times 2x plus 7. Next, we have 49 minus x squared. Square root of 49 is 7, while x squared is x. Double, 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Final answer, 7 minus x times 7 plus x. Next, we have 81 minus x squared. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of x squared is x. Double the factors. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Final answer, 9 minus x multiplied by 9 plus x. Last, we have 25x squared minus 36. Square root of 25x squared is 5x. Square root of 36 is 6. Double, 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Final answer, 5x minus 6 times 5x plus 6. Again, when can you factor expressions using difference of two squares? If the polynomials are both perfect squares, or the polynomials have square root, and the operation being used is subtraction. Now, I will leave you an exercise. Factor the following by taking the difference of squares. Once you're done, you may check my description box for the answers. I hope you learned a lot in this lesson. Thank you for watching and have a great day!